rocking YouTube. It's your boy Spank the World, and first and foremost, I want to hope everybody out there enjoying their day to day, man. We ain't gonna get into too much, man. I ain't trying to keep y'all too long. Y'all already know. We on our way though, man. We on our way to the land with it today. On our way up here to Cleveland. Comedown Sundays. It's Sunday here in Akron. Nice day, man. It was nice yesterday too. Nice today. About 80 something degrees, like 83 degrees, man. So, you know, Sunday. So I'm quite sure they're gonna be out up here, man. Come down Sundays. And shout out to Cleveland too, man. Anytime I come up here and do a video, man, plenty of views, man. Cleveland rocking with your boy. Shout out to Cleveland, man. And you know, if any of y'all Cleveland cats see this, man, y'all got a whip or something, you know, did up, put a lot of money in your whip or something, want people to see it, man, want to get it out there, just follow me on Instagram, DM me on Instagram. Like I said, if you're from Cleveland or, you know, anywhere close, you got a vehicle that you put a lot of money into or something, man, and y'all want me to get it out there, man, get some footage of it, just holler at me, man. It's no problem. And like I say, shout out to Cleveland, man. They rocks with me. Mad views. But you know, that's about it, man. Like I said, we ain't doing nothing. We on our way up here to Comedown Sundays, man. So if it ain't too much trouble, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like the videos, share the videos, comment, turn the notification bell to all that, man. But I ain't gonna talk too much, man. Let me get this camera turned around and we gonna see what it do.
Shit like the Grinch, yeah, shit don't make no sense. Boy, your pockets is the menace. I bought my chopper some tennis. I got no chopping, no feelings. Young nigga, give you the business. Since I was 6, I've been with it. Bitch, I've been.
How you been? Trying to, man. Yeah, which one?